In this video we will talk about Mariana, a Portuguese woman who recently made headlines with her incredible story after her conversion to Islam. What is so unique and fascinating in her story is that she was a fervent Christian preacher. Mariana would travel throughout Europe spreading the message of Christianity and urging people to repent and return to Jesus Christ. Her main target was the Muslims, whom she considered to be the most misguided. On her social media accounts, there are tens of videos of her, trying to convince people to come to Jesus before it is too late. But little did she know that her life was about to take a remarkable turn. It all started when Mariana went to preach to a group of young Muslims. During their conversation, she was astonished by the immense respect these Muslims had for the Prophet Isa bin Maryam, also known as Jesus Christ, peace of Allah be upon him. But the only thing that shocked her was the fact that these Muslims considered Jesus not as God, but as a messenger of God. Determined to prove them wrong, Mariana embarked on a mission to study Islam in depth. She spent months reading the translation of the Holy Quran, hoping to find flaws and contradictions to use against Muslims, but what she discovered left her stunned. While researching the Quran deeply, Mariana was amazed by the beauty of the message conveyed by the Book of Allah.
Basically, when I opened the Quran, I literally said, God guide me. And the verse is this: